Well, now the sun has come out. Okay. This is down the road where I live. And it's still real, sorry about the bouncing. It's still real muddy. I've got to order another gimbal. I still have my gimbal, but it's, I have to order another battery for it. But I found another gimbal that I think will work better for me. So I think I'm going to order that. Look how pretty. I know it's shaky, you guys, I'm sorry. Okay, it's gonna get worse. I'll turn you off. Okay, I'm gonna show you where Domino is. I think I already showed you once, but because it's rained all week, Lordy, what a mess. Look at this. He's already almost out of hay. Domino! Domino's! Come here, buddy. Hey! Domino! Come here! Hey! I don't even think he knows I'm here. Come here! Are you mad at me? Huh? The other horses are over here. Let me see. Oh, here he comes. Ooh, a lot of board. This is one thing that happens in horses. They dig stuff up. Look at how dirty he is. Oh my goodness. My baby. I know. No, we're not going anywhere. Oh, you are just a muddy mess. Look. Look at you. You're not black no more. You're brown. Yeah. Gosh dang it, my only days off are rain days. I know, now the flies are out. Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm going to live on my horse for a little bit.